Welcome back, everyone. I hope y'all are having a fantastic week so far. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. The things you will need are all from the Dollar Tree. I picked a couple of bouquets of different flowers and colors, and you're welcome to use whatever color and quantity you want. For this first DIY, I will be showing you how to make flower napkin rings. I picked carnations, peonies, roses, and a 6-pack of the silver napkin rings. Taking the flower, I pluck it off the stem and gather the ones I want to use and grab my scissors to cut the end where the stem went in. Then I grab my napkin rings and just begin to hot glue the flowers on. I saw similar ones at Home Goods and Pier 1. They were definitely my inspiration, so I thought I could make my own for way less. I'm so ready and excited for spring to come. I wanted to make some floral DIYs for my home, and these were so easy and affordable to make. I'm currently 36 weeks pregnant, you guys, so making these here and there are just a lot of fun for me as my due date approaches. I also have some news to share with you guys. We will be moving to our new house next month. That's another reason why I've been doing a lot of DIYs lately. We are building our house and it should be ready by the time our daughter is born, so I'm really excited to do more home decor videos, hauls, and let me know if you want to see a nursery tour. When everything settles, I plan to make a lot more home decor videos, so let me know what you want to see in the future. This is how the flower napkin rings came out. They're so pretty. They're definitely worth making and helps you save money. I also made a few others to give you examples of the way you can create them. You can use the same bouquet of flowers if you want the same napkin rings, or buy different bouquets and put different flowers to each napkin ring. Let me know which style you like best. For the second DIY, you'll need 1 foam board from the Dollar Tree, 2 frame mirrors, 6 bouquet of flowers of your choice, scissors, and hot glue. I went ahead and plucked the flowers off the stems to save some time. Grabbing my scissors, I'm going to take the back piece of the picture frame off so I can grab my mirror. You can do this with your fingers, but I prefer using my scissors. Next, place the mirrors on the foam board and trace them to cut for the base. Adding hot glue to the foam board, I will then align the mirror and press firmly. Repeat the same thing for the second mirror. This is my favorite part, where I can glue down the flowers where I want them to go. There is no pattern, no right or wrong way to place the flowers. I just place them wherever I wanted them to go.